Hello guys, in this video we will know about African wonders. There are 13 famous wonders in Africa. The Abu symbol is located in Egypt. The Abu symbol was constructed in 1290 to 1224 BCE. The impressive temple of Abu Simbel is located some 280 kilometers from Aswan, Pharaoh Ramses II, which is known as Ramses the Great, commissioned this temple complex in the 13th century BCE. Number 2 is Ambosli National Park. The Ambosli National Park is located in Kenya. Ambosli is a one-of-kind game reserve in southern Kenya. It was founded in 1974. The total area is of 650 km square. It is one of the oldest national parks in Africa. It is famous around the world for its unique elephant population. Number 3 is Evandysium. It is located in Tunisia. It is one of the largest arenas of the Roman Empire. It can be found in the middle of the Tunisian desert. The amphitheater is approximately 150 meters long, 120 meters wide, and is 3 stories tall, 36 meters high. It was built over a period of 8 years, 230 to 238 CE. Local sandstone was the primary material used for construction of Evandysium. The fourth one is Fez. Fez is located in Morocco. The old city of Fez consists of a barely navigable labyrinth of streets and narrow lane, lined with houses, squares, and splendid mosques. In Fez, visitors are enveloped in an atmosphere of enticing scents and exotic place of color. Fez is the third largest city in the Morocco. The fifth one is the Kilimanjaro. The Kilimanjaro is located in Tanzania. Kilimanjaro is categorized as a volcanic massif. The Kilimanjaro massif is always a magnificent sight, even when its summit is shrouded in clouds, known as the Silver Mountain. Kilimanjaro is the tallest freestanding mountain in the world. The sixth one is Marrakech. It is located in Morocco. Marrakech is founded in 1061 CA. The Red City of Marrakech is like no other African city. This is truly the place where East meets West, where the Orient and the Occident can be found side by side with one another. The seventh one is the Pyramids of Giza. It is located in Egypt. The Great Pyramid was built in 2589 to 2566 BC. The Pyramids of Giza of the seven wonders of the ancient world. The Pyramids of Giza are the only ones still in existence. They are among the oldest man-made structures. Histories and legends continue to swirl around the enormous monuments. The eighth one is the Pyramids of Meroe, located in Sudan. The Meroe Pyramids lie around 200 meters northeast of Khartoum. For 700 years, Meroe was the capital of the kingdom of Kush. Kush is the name the Egyptians used for Nubia. The ninth one is the Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert is located in North Africa. The Sahara's maximum length is ca 6000 kilometers east to west and ca 2000 kilometers north to south. With an area of over 9 million kilometers square, it covers nearly one-third of the African continent. The countries with the Sahara include Morocco, Algeria, Libya, Tunisia, Egypt, West Sahara, Mauritania, Mali, Niger, Chad, and the Sudan. The name Sahara comes from the Arabic word Sahara, which is a translation of the Kenyu called desert and sand. 10th one is Serengeti National Park. It is located in Tanzania. The name of this park is a synonym for undisturbed nature, one of the last natural paradises. Many people will immediately think of the many famous wildlife documentaries filmed within its borders. The Serengeti covers an area of 14,763 kilometers square. It is populated by around 1 million wild beasts, 7,000 giraffes, 150,000 Thompson gazelles, more than 1,000 elephants, around 3,000 lions, over 500 different kinds of birds. The 11th one is the Suez Canal. It is located in Egypt. The Suez Canal is one of the most remarkable waterways in the world. The Suez Canal, extending from the Mediterranean harbour city of Port, set southward to Suez of the Red Sea. The Suez Canal is 162.5 kilometers long and between 300 and 365 meters wide. The canal bed is only 180 meters wide and 21 meters deep. The canal was built from 1859 to 1869. Construction costs total 19 million pounds. 12th one is Valley of the Kings, which is located in Egypt. Thebes was the capital of ancient Egypt, the center of the pharaonic kingdom for over 400 years and locations of is its most important cults. The nearby Valley of the Kings is the world's greatest necropolis. And the last one is Victoria Falls, which is located in Zambia. The Victoria Waterfalls, the largest waterfall in the world, cascades into a deep gorge on the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe. The Victoria Falls are known in the language of the local people as Moyo o Tunia or smoke that thunders. The Victoria Falls were discovered by David Livingstone, missionary and African explorer. The Victoria Waterfalls are the longest continuous cascading waterfall on Earth, at a height of 110 meters and a width of 1.7 kilometers. As much as 600 million liters of water per minute passes over the falls. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel for more videos.